But these new ones come with a valve on it, electronic valve. And inside the muffler, there's a bypass. When you open this electronic valve, it basically makes it straight pipe instead of this humongous muffler on it. Right there, there's the exhaust valve right there. So, we'll press the end button on it after and we'll let you guys hear it. We'll let you hear it both ways. Well, we just finished cutting the resonator off. That little bitty piece right there. And from what research they said, it makes a huge difference. So we'll find out in a minute if it will. It's only this big. It's not that big at all, but not even as really big as my hand. I've got gigantic hands. But yeah, so that's the only thing. We'll let you guys hear it in a minute. Without it, again. All right, press. What is it called?
Press the end button. The raise
press.
flag.
Yeah, press the end button. Oh wow, what a difference! Again. You're right. It does make a huge difference. Oh wow, cool. All right, back it up. That's with the flap open, the end button. Let you guys hear it on the inside.
And this is in normal mode. And then once you hit this little button, nice.
Hell yeah! Hey boys will be boys.
Thoughts get thrown around, but we keep going on believing.